Hi friends, in this video I will show you how we can install custom modules in Odoo15. For that I'm just created a module called school management. So here we can see the school management module. We can go to the Odoo apps menu. Under the apps we can search for school management. We can see the module is not listed. So we need to update the app list. For that, we can go to the Odoo settings. Under the Odoo settings, we can see a active the developer mode. We can click on that. After clicking that, we can see the URL now changes debug equal to 1, and here we can see the debug mode icon. Now we can go to the apps. We can click on the update app list, and then we can click on the apply scheduled upgrades. So now we can search our module. We can see our module. Just click on the install button. So our module is listed here. This way we can create custom modules in Odoo15.